Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is the Carne Asada Tacos episode. To make a nice steak Carne Asada street taco, we have best tropical destination stories, Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to make a Peachtree Punch from one of the original Trader Vic's, and a Bahama Mama. Coming right up on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Aloha and welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. So today we're going to start out by making a Peachtree Punch. This comes from my Smuggler's Cove book. This is my Bible. This is called Peachtree Punch 2.0. It says a modern twist on a Trader Vic's drink from the 1970s, incorporating coconut cream, lemon, and seltzer. The original Peachtree Punch was created for the opening of Trader Vic's in Atlanta, hence the celebration of the peach. So this is a muddled drink. So I have a bunch of peaches, which I'm going to muddle. So it says 3 ounces of fresh orange juice, a ½ ounce of fresh lemon juice. So I have actually have fresh lemons. And goes the lemon juice. 1 ounce of coconut cream. So I have my Coco Lopez. I always do my Coco Lopez joke. I say Coco Lopez is either a backup singer for the Carlos Santana band or something you'd pay a Mexican prostitute to do. It's a little warm out today, so the Coco Lopez is running a little looser. So what else? Oh, we need a peach liqueur. So I have some Dr. McGillicuddy's peach schnapps and 2 ounces of blended lightly aged rum. I have some aged rum from St. Croix, some Cruzan rum, and I have some seltzer. I'll save the seltzer till the end. So I'm just going to muddle this sucker up. I'm going to put a little ice in there to agitate things. Alright, in goes seltzer. I have some San Pellegrino mineral water. And we're going to add more ice. And my nice peach garnish. And that's a Peachtree Punch 2.0. And that was from Trader Vic's Atlanta. Oh, delicious. Coming up next, best tropical destination stories. Alright, so I got my Peachtree Punch 2.0. Very peachy. So I call this segment Best Tropical Destination Stories. So send your best tropical destination story to me and I'll read them on my show. This week takes us to San Juan, Puerto Rico. So I don't know what I'll call this story, but basically involves somebody missing the ship. So I was working on the Carnival Sensation in the casino, and we docked in Puerto Rico every week. So I'd go out with this nice couple from the Czech Republic that I worked with in the casino, and there's tons of land casinos when we docked in San Juan, Puerto Rico. And then the great thing about that is if you worked on the cruise ship, all the casinos would give you match play. So they would give you like a certificate or a voucher, and you'd play that amount, and then they would basically give you free money to play off. So it wasn't really a scam, but we'd go to all the casinos and play off just the match play. And we usually make a couple $100 every time just playing off the match play, not really gambling with our own money per se. And we basically did that every week, and we made enough to go out and have a nice dinner and drinks. Then it was getting close to the end of the season, and we decided for some reason to go out for dinner and drinks first, which was not a good idea. So we had a lot of drinks, and then we started playing blackjack at the Hilton. And my friend Stefan, this is the gentleman from the Czech Republic, he started losing heavily. We were pretty sauced, so he just kept on chasing the money he was losing. Ended up losing like most of the money he made or saved at contract, and he was down, basically lost all the money he had on him. And it was getting to be close to 1 a.m. and the ship was actually leaving, setting sail at 1 a.m. For St. Thomas. And he just kept on saying, I have to make my money back. And I said, well, like, if we miss the ship, we're going to be fired and nobody's going to make any money. At which point he asked me to lend him $1,000. So, and I was losing heavily too. So I went to the bank machine, lent him $1,000, and then ran out of the Hilton casino and grabbed a taxi and told the taxi cab drivers like extra $20 in it if you get me to the ship like ASAP. And so we're weaving in and out of traffic, speeding, and we get to the dock, and it was just like the movies. The ship was actually pulling away from the pier. The gangway was up. My friend who works security could see me running. The side of the entryway was still open, so I literally jumped across where the gangway should be over water, landing in the ship, made the ship. My two friends missed the ship, so I got in and went down to the crew bar, ordered a couple doubles, and realized I just lent this kid $1,000 and I'm probably never going to see him again. Then the next day, the events that apparently happened were extremely improbable, but what happened was Stefan made all his money back, which was like literally thousands and thousands of dollars at the blackjack table. Made even more money. They comped him a room at the Hilton. He had enough money to catch a flight to St. Thomas, where we docked the next day. The casino was fortunately closed in the morning because we docked the next day, so nobody even noticed he missed the ship. He flew to St. Thomas, got on the ship, paid me my $1,000, which I thought I'd never see him or my $1,000 again. And everyone lived happily ever after. So that's one of the few gambling stories that actually has a happy ending. So that's my San Juan, Puerto Rico story. Please send any tropical destination stories to chappiness@yahoo.com, and I'll read them on my show. Coming up next, Appies with Chappy by the lake. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Hola! Welcome to another edition of Appies with Chappy by the lake. Mookie's insisted on wearing her sombrero, so that means one thing. We're going to do some Mexican food for Appies with Chappy by the lake. I got a nice flank steak. I got some carne asada seasoning once we get it on the grill. So we're gonna cook it whole. I'm gonna cut it against the grain just so it's easier to chew. So we're just gonna marinate that for 4 hours, and then we'll get it on the grill, and then we'll put together our carne asada tacos. And Mookie and I'll have a little fiesta. Alright, so we got my carne asada street tacos off the grill. Mookie's got her sombrero back on, so we're gonna make a drink to go with our street tacos. Let Mookie go back to south of the border. With the carne asada, I got it on the grill. I marinated it for 4 hours. With the carne asada seasoning, it's got detected a little chili and some lime. And of course, I have the white corn tortilla with the carne asada street tacos. All right, so we're gonna do the Bahama Mama. Gonna put a little ice in my shaker, and we're gonna go 3 kinds of rum: Captain Morgan Dark, Havana Club Anejo, and then some Malibu coconut rum. So that's 3 kinds of rum. We're gonna give it a hit of Kahlua. That's a coffee liqueur. Splash grenadine, fresh lemon, and pineapple juice. All right, we'll give it a shake. Put some ice in my hurricane glass. Check out my Nolans episode where I make a hurricane. Ironically, I didn't have a hurricane glass for my hurricane. All right. Perfecto. And I got a very nice garnish. That's a Bahama Mama with my carne asada street tacos. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Please hit the subscribe button below and give me a like if you like my video. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.